how you can transform this still image into this. Let me introduce you to a free tool. It's called Pix, and it looks like this. So it's very easy to understand. Here you have your dashboard. This is your login, and then you can bring your image to life. So let's get something from Discord. This image you recognize, this is the image that we created in a previous video, and I will use it to create from this still image that I've created in a Discord to a moving image. So how do we do this? You go to Pix and just drag and drop an image in it, and now you will see it is thinking. You have here all kind of parameters, but the thing is, it's amazing what it can do with your picture. Cool. So what do we see? We see that she is moving a bit, and it looks like the background is also moving. This is a very easy way to create a moving image from a still image. So use it in your advantage. In the next video, I'll give you some more information about the masterclass AI.